Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly which driver's card you have and why it needs updating. Check the expiry date and card type. Next, gather your ID, the correct PIN, a compatible card reader, and a computer with a reliable internet connection. Once done, plug the reader in. Make sure any software that might access the card is closed and back up related logs. Now power up the update utility and authenticate. This initial setup prevents common errors and saves time. You run the official update tool or log into the government portal, ensuring the software version matches the card model. Authenticate using your PIN or digital certificate. Once authenticated, the utility reads the card details and verifies serial and firmware compatibility. Begin the transfer and watch the progress bar. Do not unplug the reader or close the app. If prompted for options, choose the recommended defaults. This central phase writes new credentials and fixes known issues, so be patient as multiple steps complete. You finish by verifying the update. Read the card again and confirm the new expiry, permissions, and matching serial number. Once verified, reboot your device and test the card in real scenarios that matter: logging, access, or submission. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Retry the process while keeping logs, try a different reader or USB port, and note any error code. If errors persist, contact support with the logs and code. This troubleshooting path resolves the majority of failures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.